Hi everybody, it's been way too long to do this. And this video stuff is not exactly the most flattering, is it?
No.
This is my best friend Gabby.
That's my best friend Tina.
Yeah, and I wanted to post this on the site to say thank you, Daniel, and thanks to all the fans.
She's not going back to wrestling, by the way.
I don't think that's gonna happen. They won't take my calls.
They won't return them either. We're not going.
No, the calls are dropped, fans. Sorry, but good things to come. And I just wanted to say that I check into the site, and I feel really privileged that I still have great fans out there.
I love my China.
And I love you, and I love my fans, and
you really do.
I really do.
Yeah, I'm jealous. I'm kind of jealous.
I read this stuff, and I walk down the street.
She's mine, not yours, but mine.
How many years since wrestling now? Almost 11 years, and still everybody recognizes me and says such nice things to me.
Horrible to go shopping with her. Horrible.
But I love it, and every day I don't take 1 second of it for granted. So I want to send peace and love out to everybody, and look for more stuff, because there's gonna be more stuff coming.
And I know what's coming.
I know it's coming.
And
don't worry, I'm still a little bit crazy, so don't be surprised. You know what I mean?
I got her back. I'm diagnosed with insane.
I'm not gonna say, but I'm still trying to, like, come on,
Happy birthday, everybody.
Oh.
December
Just bringing up my
27th.
birthday, December 27th. I forgot about it. I'll be 1 year younger.
Me too.
25 and holding. Never know, it was so darky. Anyway, I love you guys. Happy holidays, and
imagine that.
Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, and now that I'm finally have a computer and I'm trying to learn how to do this stuff,
you have like third computer.
I'll try to do this more often. Anyway, love y'all.
I'm jealous. I'm jealous. You love them more than you love each other.
You love them too.
Yes, they love.
By the way, and on the chat, I learned how to do the chat thing. Look at the chat thing. Like I could tell like half of them are her. Are you guys on there? I know. I'm reading it, and I'm like, something is weird here.
No, I'm the one that said she's not going back to wrestling.
That sounds so much like you.
No, because they all love you.
I know.
I love you. She loves you guys back. I love you guys too.
Happy holidays.